Using the bounce. Today's video is sponsored by the global warming. Open your clip in the Fusion page. Bring a time stretcher node after. Double-click to the source time value to reset it, right-click on it, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, the curve to easing, and set the in and out to bounce. Check the mirror box, and set the scale value to the number of your frames. This box says the amount of the frames in your clip. In my case it's 787. And now you get this nice bounce effect, which I don't know where you can actually use, but it is what it is. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, there is nothing you can do about it.